Big L, rest in peace. Rest in peace.
Do you wanna mess with this? One of the best yet. We've got it. You can feel the realness in this business of rap. Go ahead.
Fresh out the gate again, time to raise the stakes again. Fatten my plate again. Y'all cats know we always play to win. GNG to the stars, son. Haters took this shit too far, son. So that's all for you. I'm wiping out your whole team. Ow, splatter your dreams with lyrics to shatter your schemes. The badder you seem, the more lies you tell. The more lies you sound.